Hammer this, hammer this. Yo, DPS, clear the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear the guards, clear the guards, clear the guards.
West sila. Southwest.
Sige lang,
Pushin sila sa southwest ah. Pushin sila sa southwest.
sige lang. Hammer, hammer, hammer.
Southwest pa rin sila kay.
Sige, dito muna, dito muna. Southwest muna, southwest muna, southwest muna, southwest muna. Okay, they're looking to us, they're looking to us, they're looking.
Looking sila.
Saan yung big deal?
Kabila sila. Sa
Southwest side.
southwest sila nakatingin. Turning
Sorry bay, go to the chest. Don't let them open the chest, sorry bay. Go to the chest, go to the chest.
Sila. Careful lang.
Looking the chest, guys, okay? Careful, careful.
Sa chest sila, nasa chest sila kay.
Yo, they're on the east, they're in the east, they're in the east. Careful, careful. Don't, yo, guys. Ready, defense on the front. Don't go to the chest.
Basag.
Okay, wait, come east. Come shot east. You guys, ready, defend. Wait. Come southwest. That's fake. Okay, nice. Come, meron pa isa. One more engage. Wait. Sorry, boy, don't let them open, okay? Wait. Saan yung big deal? Come northwest.
Nag-get sa akin din,
Come
nag-get.
northwest. Let them fight. Go outside. No, come northwest.
Big deal. Southwest.
Come southwest.
Inside the castle.
Case nasa...
No-open ata.
They open the wait. Nasa
Sorry, boy, don't let them open. Okay, don't let them open.
Kahit yung curse
Wait.
staff, try to beam.
Dito ako titingin
We have bastion. Guys, come northwest. Don't follow me. Come northwest. Okay, come north. Follow me north.
Ditang kapatingin ng east side.
Follow me north.
Nag-engage sa
I'm on
akin.
thy side, I'm on thy side.
Hindi. They full engage yun.
Sorry, boy, just don't let them open. Don't let them open.
bukas na kayo,
So,
bukas
sino
na.
namatay?
Bando.
Open na kayo, open na.
Yung ano yun.
Gago, but why did you let them open? Sorry, boy. You just need to queue them.
Oh, just queue them, bro.
Wait, guys, don't go. Wait, they're looking. Saan yung big deal? Na-wipe na? Wait.
Southwest side.
Wait. Wala na tang big deal ah. Ano yun to ba?
Nasa southwest side sila.
Southeast side.
Okay.
Southwest side. Southeast yung ano.
Okay, come southeast, guys. Come southeast.
Southwest yung ano. Yung Shibeg.
Wait. They're looking. Cleanse now.
Listen na choke.
Come northwest. Ang bobo naman ng big deal. Ayaw nila mag-fight. Come northwest.
Nag-get sa akin kaya.
Namatay ka?
Hindi ka
Hindi,
sabi.
Okay, come northwest. Yo, can we punish this D-Tank? Can someone snare charge and Hellion with him? Wait. Go stun him. Wait. Mamaya.
Nawala.
Wait.
Dito ako titingin sa big deal Baka
Over chest. Care.
Yo, chest. Defend chest. Yo, kill this D-Tank. 3, 2, 1. On this D-Tank. Come back. Yo, kill him. Stun him. Full CC him. Kill. One guy. Oh, defend. Come northwest. Defend. Demon. Come northwest. Bagal ng DPS. Ready defend.
sa big deal kayo baka
Hill front. OC. Saan yung big deal? Tara guys, ditang walk in southwest, ditang walk in. Only ditang walk in. We die. Ditang walk in, only ditang. Defend. Heal. Ditang walk inside of them. Defend now, potion now. Okay, full walk in now. Full walk in.
Yeah, we got
Full walk in the Lord room. Brawl them. Brawl. Go inside and brawl. Ready defend. They're looking. Full spread. Full spread. They're looking. Okay, full spread, guys. Come, stay on the Lord room. Defend ready. Come southeast. Oh, northwest. Everything northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Hit northwest. And come back southeast in the Lord room. Come back southeast. Heal up. Come southeast. heal up, come southeast, heal up, come southeast. Okay, come northwest, wait, come southeast, going southeast, kill the guards inside. Heal up, heal. Kill this guy. 3, 2, 1, on me. Kill this realm breaker. Kill him. After the clerical.
Looking nyo, ano ha? Si Vera, looking
Kill him. Come southeast. I told you guys, come southeast, but my ditang, you need to hold them.
Looking si Vera.
Use and doubles inside.
Knockdown sa atin.
Use and doubles inside. Can someone revive Zuchinat? Hold. Kill the Lord. Guys, ditang on the northeast. Dev. Ditang northeast. Guys, kill the Lord. Come south. Kill the Lord.
Inching big din.
Hey, south tayo. South. Kill the Lord, guys. Kill the Lord.
Inching big deal ah.
Wait. Just kill the Lord. Use and doubles on the Lord. Okay? Defend ready. West. Wait.
Nag-engage sa akin yung bomb nila.
Patayin nyo lang yung Lord. Panalo tayo dito pag napatayin yung Lord. Kill the Lord.
Inching up ha, yung si Vera.
Kill Lord.
Big deal. Inching
South
na
kayo.
big deal.
Take space on the south. Except my ditang. Uy, mamaya ka na, Rose. Mag-brawl.
Pag
Patayin niyo yung Lord, pre. Patayin niyo yung Lord.
Sa Northwest.
Patayin yung Lord muna, pre.
Alok mga lupya lang.
Just kill the Lord, guys. Just kill the Lord, please. We engage on the middle.
Wala, patay na.
Skill na lang.
Around ha, careful ha.
Jarvey, focus Northwest. Ay, dyan na pala.
Guys, on my count. 3, 2, 1. On my count. I told you guys, kill the Lord.
Focus
Kill
on
the Lord.
guys. The Lord.
Kanina ko pa sa inyo
Out na
sinasabi.
sila kay-
Okay, cap. Just cap fast. Yo, Ditang, walk in southwest. Ditang, walk in southwest. Kansa, malinyos, stay there. Ditang, walk in southwest. Southwest. Ditang, southwest. Defend ready. Full walk in southwest. Southeast. Full walk in southeast. Sprint now. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Full life southeast. They're gonna turn soon. Full life southeast. Keep pushing southeast. Defend ready on the choke. Nakap na ba? Paka.
Natin.
Okay, keep pushing southeast. Push southeast, guys. Full push them southeast. Southeast. Come southeast. Okay, hold now. Ilagay inside. Come back, guys. Come back. Follow me. Follow my crown, okay? Follow my crown. Kill this guy. Okay, click the gate. Come northeast. Kick the gate. Come northeast. They're mounting up. They're trying to run. Catch. Kanina ko pa sinasabi na kill the Lord, tas nagbo-brawl kayo sa kanila, gago.
Naglalag ka okay, delay sa akin.
Leonard wants to know if you enjoyed yourself today.
Yeah,
You did.
kinda. It just hurt my hands.
The
Okay, loot the body.
Lahat nilulot.